we're going to have her lie down right here. Say hi. And then Mommy's going to help hold her arms. And we're going to do one earring, and then we're just going to quickly do the other one. And this one first.
Okay, hold on, Mama.
Ready, set, one.
Good job, Pumpkin. Oh, I know. Almost done. Almost done.
Ready?
Hold on.
Settle in. I know.
I know.
Okay, hold it.
Okay.
I wanted to make
Oh my goodness.
Sweetie, hold on. You're mad.
Honey, I'm
Almost
sorry. Almost done.
All done. Sorry. You were mad. You were moving your head. She was strong. So that was it. She did really well.